23, back to Herrera. For his teammate, pass to number 69. Pass, good rebound by number 20. So good. And Ruilan to number 12. Pass for 3. No good. Rebound by Miranda. Behind to Paulino.
Set.
Paulino to Miranda. Pilar. Pass, no good. To number 16. Nag-give the ball. Lumaya. Sala, nakuha ni Balisi.
Gitna!
Tayag to Balisi. Nice.
Ginawa ka na!
Good.
NFA yun!
Lays up. Good. Rebound by Biray. Pass to Balisi. Balisi.
Kanan!
Pass. No good. Nakuha ni Balisi. Nasa labas na pala. Hindi pa nakita. Number 23. Ruilan. Herrera.
Defensa!
Miscommunication between Herrera and number 12.
Ne? Yung mong magagawa? Oh, harap! Dapat kasi yan, lumubros low cost. Yang matas eh. Yan! Tira!
Balisi for 3, no good. Rebound by number 28. Herrera. Foul, Tayag. Number 12.